I haven't actually tried this before, but I've created some cool components that allows you to create front-end stuff in Magic. So I'm going to try to create something fairly complex. First of all, I want to create an AI chatbot, right? So now, bear with me for some time now, because if I succeed, the end will be fairly amazing. So now I want to create a new AI chatbot based upon scraping AI.io, 5 pages. No, don't create an email function. At this point, if I said yes, I could tell it to send emails to me or some name and email address, at which point it would generate the required hyperlambda to actually send emails upon requests from chatbot users. So, but let's see what it does. Now it's starting to crawl AI.io, and it's asking me if I want to vectorize. I want to vectorize the type and then create an embed script. So now it's creating embeddings for the RAG data it already has in a new machine learning type. I want a dark green forest theme, gradients, and I want dark green forest colors, gradients, and complementary colors for text and links. So now let's see what type of embed script it comes up with. Modern bubbles, okay. No, but I want you to create a sign up to newsletter landing page. I need you to create a database and an API only for saving name, email. I want this to be a kick-ass, modern looking, futuristic landing page where people can sign up for our newsletter. Then I want you to embed the AI chatbot on that page. Now, I'm in production, right? So I mean, if this succeeds, I'm just gonna go to LinkedIn and share the end result immediately, and people can start playing with the chatbot. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, it looks good, but it can't be root users here. It needs to be any user, okay? So here it couldn't find the Thomas test module, so it creates it automatically. Continue, but before you do, remove all authentication requirements from your read endpoint. So this is where it helps being a software developer, and where I don't really think, citizen could figure it out. Now you see it removed the authentication and authorization thing. Continue until done. Return the URL when you're done. So now it is generating my HTML landing page. I need to emphasize I've not done this specific thing previously. I'm actually doing it live here on in this video. So there might be some quirks here and there, but let's see what it comes up with. So now the point, of course, is if you have like a conference or whatever 3 months down the road, you know, you can create a landing page with an AI chatbot on it. And I mean, that's like a significant improvement from just the landing page, right? Let's see what this thing looks like now. Sign up to join the future with Dainiro. Sign up for our newsletter and stay ahead with the latest in AI automation and no-code innovation. Be the first to know about new features, case studies, and exclusive offers. Remember, I told it to scrape by Niro and use that as its foundation for my landing page, right? And then remember, I told it to embed an AI chatbot, okay? So here I have an AI chatbot that is based upon the content found at iniro.io. Right, so it's already doing a kick-ass job as a sales executive. And as you can see here, it's basically trying to sell our AI chatbots and AI agents and stuff like that. Let's see what the pricing plans are. Okay, so it correctly found the starter plan, professional, or actually the naming of the plans are wrong. But that's probably because, but it's the correct prices. It's not too bad. Okay, let's try, of course, the big thing. Now, before we do, let me just verify that there are no items currently in the database, and then afterwards I'm going to check if it was capable of actually inserting items. So now this, of course, should return nothing when I sign up. Thomas Hansen, thomas@iniro.io. Let's try again. And yeah, there we go. Have a nice day.